YayDay Paper is all about bringing you beautiful prints using a tool that you're already familiar with, your printer. Every month we release brand new printable bundles of stationery, stickers, and more that you can purchase as a part of our super affordable subscription. But how does it work? Well, you'll be glad to know that it's really easy. So grab your computer and let's head over to YayDayPaper.com together and take a look. When you're on the YayDay Paper Co website, you'll scroll down and immediately see the current month's subscriber collections. You'll see the planner bundle and the stationery bundle, with lots of photos to give you a closer look at what each bundle includes. You'll notice that the subscriber collections include a member bonus that is only available to YayDay members. Once this collection expires at the end of the month, you'll no longer be able to get the member bonus. If you're ready to become a YayDay Paper Co subscriber, simply click the Become a Subscriber button. Next, select which subscription is best for you. You can select the stationery subscription plan on a monthly or yearly basis. The same goes for the planner subscription. Or, if you love both, you can subscribe to both. Just remember, our yearly plans are the best value. Once selected, your subscription will appear in your cart and you can proceed to checkout. Now here's what's really cool about YayDay. As soon as you check out and log into your account, your prints are there waiting for you. This is a procrastinator's dream. If you don't like waiting, or if you're a last-minute crafter, you're gonna love this. Simply click on My Account in the upper right-hand corner. Then click My Prints. You'll see your prints waiting to be downloaded. Click the download icon and you can access all the printables directly from your computer and start printing. Now remember, when you subscribe, you will only have access to the prints from the month of your subscription start date. Then, as long as you're an active member, we will automatically update your YayDay account on the first of every month with brand new printables. But what if you don't want to subscribe? Or maybe you want to get your hands on some of our older collections? We've got you covered. Click on the Shop button at the top of the YayDay Paper Co website, scroll down and click Shop All Products. Here, you'll find all of our current and past bundles. The only thing to keep in mind is that our shop bundles will cost you a little bit more and they don't include our member bonus prints. So there you have it. It's really easy to join the YayDay Paper Co family. We have lots of options and the best part is you'll have immediate access to your prints and you can print them as much as you want. I cannot wait to see how these prints add a little bit of yay to your day. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. YayDay Paper is all about bringing That's how I wrote it too. I wrote it like a person who doesn't know English. Yes. Screen cap, YayDay. As soon as you, the prints from the month geez, this is a very strange sentence, Amber. What is your problem? Okay, we're gonna do that one sentence and then we're gonna change because Amber can't do it all. That was a good one. I did that one right.